Today, we're exploring a critical safety component in your vehicle, the ABS sensor. We'll explore its 5 essential functions and the 5 common symptoms of a bad ABS sensor. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just a concerned driver, this guide is for you. But before we continue, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's dive right in. An ABS, anti-lock braking system, sensor plays a crucial role in vehicle safety by monitoring wheel speed and ensuring that the anti-lock braking system functions correctly. Here are the 5 primary functions of an ABS sensor in a car. Number 1. Monitoring wheel speed. The ABS sensor measures the rotational speed of each wheel individually. By constantly monitoring wheel speed, the system can detect any sudden changes, such as when a wheel starts to lock up during braking. It sends this data to the ABS control module, allowing it to regulate braking pressure accordingly. Number 2. Preventing wheel lockup. One of the core functions of the ABS sensor is to help prevent wheel lockup during hard braking or on slippery surfaces. When a wheel is about to lock, the sensor detects the rapid deceleration of the wheel and informs the ABS control unit, which then reduces braking pressure to that wheel. This helps maintain control and steering ability during an emergency stop. Number 3. Enhancing vehicle stability. The ABS sensor helps the ABS control system to maintain vehicle stability during braking. By adjusting braking pressure on individual wheels, the system helps prevent the car from skidding or losing traction, especially when braking on wet or icy roads. This function is crucial for maintaining vehicle control. Number 4. Supporting traction control system, TCS. In many modern vehicles, the ABS sensors also provide data to the traction control system, TCS. TCS monitors wheel slip during acceleration, particularly on slippery or uneven surfaces. If wheel slip is detected, the TCS can reduce engine power or apply braking to the affected wheel to regain traction. The ABS sensor provides the critical data needed for this system to function properly. Number 5. Assisting electronic stability control, ESCAPE. The ABS sensor contributes to the functioning of the electronic stability control, ESCAPE, system. ESCAPE uses data from the ABS sensors to detect loss of steering control, often caused by oversteering or understeering. By applying brake force to specific wheels, the system helps bring the car back on the intended path. The ABS sensor provides real-time information on wheel speed, helping ESCAPE make quick adjustments to prevent skidding or loss of control. The ABS sensor plays an integral role in ensuring the proper functioning of the braking system, improving vehicle safety and stability, especially under extreme conditions. Now, let's move on to the 5 common symptoms of a bad ABS sensor. A faulty ABS, anti-lock braking system, sensor can compromise the safety and performance of the vehicle's braking system. When the ABS sensor goes bad, the system might fail to perform its critical functions, leading to a variety of symptoms. Here are 5 common signs of a bad ABS sensor. Number 1. ABS warning light. One of the most noticeable symptoms of a failing ABS sensor is the illumination of the ABS warning light on the dashboard. The ABS control module continuously monitors the sensors, and if it detects a problem, such as a sensor that isn't providing accurate data, it triggers the warning light. This light alerts the driver that the ABS system may not be functioning properly, and immediate inspection is required. Number 2. Loss of anti-lock braking function. When an ABS sensor is faulty, the anti-lock braking system may be disabled. This means the vehicle could experience wheel lockup during hard braking, especially on wet, icy, or slippery surfaces. Without the ABS functioning, the driver might lose steering control during hard braking, leading to longer stopping distances and a higher risk of skidding. Number 3. Increased stopping distance. A defective ABS sensor may result in increased braking distances, especially under emergency braking conditions. Since the ABS system won't function as intended, the brakes may lock up more easily, reducing the car's ability to stop quickly and safely. Drivers may notice that their vehicle takes longer to come to a complete stop, which is particularly dangerous in critical situations. Number 4. Unstable or erratic braking. When an ABS sensor is malfunctioning, the vehicle might experience uneven or erratic braking. This occurs because the faulty sensor may send incorrect wheel speed data to the ABS control module. As a result, the system could engage or disengage the brakes unnecessarily, leading to inconsistent brake pressure. Drivers may feel pulsations in the brake pedal or uneven braking response, which can make stopping the vehicle unpredictable. Number 5. Loss of traction control or stability control. In many modern vehicles, the ABS sensor is tied to systems like traction control, TCS, and electronic stability control, ESCAPE. When the ABS sensor fails, these systems might also become impaired. The driver may notice a loss of traction during acceleration on slippery surfaces or a reduction in the vehicle's stability during sharp turns. If the ABS sensor isn't delivering accurate wheel speed data, these systems can't adjust brake pressure or engine power effectively, increasing the risk of skidding or losing control. A bad ABS sensor can significantly affect the vehicle's ability to stop safely and maintain control under adverse conditions. If any of these symptoms are noticed, it's essential to have the ABS system inspected and repaired promptly to ensure safe driving. That wraps up our look at the functions and symptoms of an ABS sensor. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to get your ABS system checked by a professional. If you find this video educating, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.